I am so sorry about this video and what it has taken for me to get it up. I do not know what is going on with this video, and I'm praying that this is going to work. So for this DIY, you're going to need 3 spoons, 2 forks, some Dollar Tree salt and pepper shakers, some glue sticks, some tools. I'm using a wrench, a pair of pliers. You're going to need some E6000, a marker, and your glue gun. So first you're going to take all your spoons and forks out. This part right here is explanatory, so I'll just tell you. I put up the video, and it was showing the correct time each time that I posted it, and even the last time I made sure that it had the correct amount of minutes, and somehow when you guys start watching it, it doesn't. So I was just showing you to use the smaller spoons and forks instead of the large ones. So first thing you're going to do is get your forks and bend it in the manner that it is in a C shape. And you're going to take your salt and pepper shaker out, and you're going to bend the tips of the fork around the salt and pepper shaker like that. You want it to be snug in there, but not too snug. So I'm showing you that one, and then we're going to do the next one the same exact way. I tried to start off by making them even, but just make it toward to the actual salt shaker or pepper shaker that it's going to go in, because they do fit different inside of them. So I'm going to show you what it takes to actually bend those things, and it takes a lot. So if you have someone that can help you bend them into place, or I would tell you to do that, especially if you have problems with your wrists and your hands like I do. But I did it, and that grip wrench right there was my best friend in the project. And you see I'm just bending each one of the I don't know what you would call that. I say picks of the fork, and I'm using the needle nose pliers to hold it with. I use that combination a lot, and I'm just showing you just to keep checking it to make sure that it is going around the salt and pepper shaker, and you're going to bend it till you get it like that. So I was showing you here that in the process of doing this, I broke a fork. I broke 2 forks, 3 spoons, and they were all the Dollar Tree things. So make sure that your silverware is stainless steel, so you won't have that problem. So you may have to go and buy the silverware from like Dollar General or something like that. Still some place that offers reasonable silverware. So I started the process again on another fork, and I was just showing you that it's hard for me because of my wrist. And I truly hope that this video makes it up this time, because if not, I don't know what to do. I'm not giving y'all the finger with the fork. But I really hope it makes it up. I just don't know what is going on with it. I don't know if it's when I'm editing inside of the program, side of YouTube, that is causing something to be messed up. I just don't know. But now we have both of them fixed right. And now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to mark each one left and right, because I want to make sure that I put the correct salt and pepper shaker back in its spot. And so now I'm just showing you I'm going to use the E6000 and the hot glue to actually put the two forks together. And I'm showing you how, to put them together. And then we're going to put the body of the man down. Now this part right here, you may want to turn your spoon the other way. You see I have my flat side with it touching the back of it like that, but you may want to turn the spoon facing the other way, have the rounded side facing outward, and maybe that will help with the problem as far as it standing up. But I'm just showing you where to adhere the two forks at on the spoon, and then I'm reinforcing it with some more Gorilla Glue sticks, and then that's what we have. Don't it look like a man already? So now we're going to work on the body, and we have to bend the spoons in the way that I'm showing you right here with this one. So we needed 2 teaspoons like this, but because I was using Dollar Tree products, the spoons kept breaking, and I was only able to have 1 teaspoon shaped like that. So I had to go out and get some of the tablespoons because the teaspoons kept breaking. So now I'm showing you how to bend the spoon. You're gonna bend the scoop part. You're gonna bend it backwards so that it's like the foot of the man, and then you're gonna make him kind of a knee. So you're gonna bend it backwards, and then you're gonna make his leg. You're gonna bend that forward. See how hard of a time I had. So now I'm showing you how we're going to put the legs on the man. It's going to take a lot of bending and twisting, guys, to get everything the way it should be. So we're going to adhere the feet to the man, and you're going to have half of this spoon hanging off of the other spoon, and then it's going to be the same thing with the other side. Each spoon is going to be halfway onto the body of the man. And so I'm gonna get both of them on, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished product of it. Now guys, I couldn't get my man to stand up on his own. Like I said, it may be the way I had my body of the man. So if anybody can tell me how to get this man to stand up on his own without me having to do what I did to get him to stand up, please tell me. So now we're going to show you the finished product of our man. So I love the concept of this project. I think it's really cool. It's a conversational piece for your guests when they're sitting at the table. And so I do recommend that you do this project. Just know that it's going to take a lot of bending and twisting. And in the end, here is our salt and pepper shaker man. And like I said, I could not get mine to stand up on its own, so I'm going to show you what I did to get it to stand up. And before I run out of time here, I want you guys to see I had to put the teaspoon that I had already made in the back. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, I love you guys. So I just wanted to go ahead and say that before I run out of time. But I truly hope that this one is right. But I'm showing you right here that where I put a whole lot of the glue at, the glue stick at on the back of the spoon, I'm just taking a metallic silver marker and I'm going over that so that the glue would kind of blend in with the silver of the spoon and the forks in the back. And I'm showing you that it blends it in. But it was a lot that stuff that went wrong, and I chopped a whole lot of this video out. But in the end, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I love you guys. Bye. Bye-bye.